Hi, my name is Keegan Coulter. I work for Seura. We're the designer technology company that makes TV mirrors, outdoor weatherproof TVs, and other products. This is an innovation that's new this year. This is our next generation outdoor weatherproof displays. When we approached this innovation, we set the bar high across three goals. Our first goal is we said we wanted to take our Seura Elegance to the next level and further differentiate ourselves from competition. We also said we wanted the best, most amazing picture quality, even in direct sunlight. And third, we wanted to make things a little easier for our dealers to install and integrate our products. When it comes to elegance, you can see that we have added a polished chrome side panel. What this actually does is it creates an infinity pool or infinity edge-like illusion, which makes the product feel slimmer as well as integrate quite nicely into the background environment. We've added some high premium elegant touch controls, which just create a user interface that is far more elegant. And across our line, we now have the thinnest bezel in the industry. And so as far as taking our Seura Elegance to the next level, this innovation does it in spades. Now let me talk about the picture performance. I am proud to say that we are now the brightest, most adaptive picture in the industry. We have upped the brightness of all of our panels to the highest levels they've ever been, up to 1,000 nits on our Ultra Bright series. We are 4K across the board, and another thing we've done is we've rolled out our adaptive picture technology. This is something unique and special to us. We're the only manufacturer who does this, and essentially our TVs are monitoring lighting conditions. So as ambient lighting conditions change throughout the day, the TV is constantly adjusting its color, contrast, and brightness settings to tease out the best performance of the TV. So uber performance from a picture quality perspective. We also said we wanted to make things easier for our dealers, and we did a handful of little things that I think are going to make a big difference. If you're familiar with our current outdoor weatherproof TVs, our weatherproof compartment was in the middle of the TV, which created issues in the sense of once it was mounted, it wasn't easy to access the inputs and outputs. We have since relocated that weatherproof compartment to the bottom right-hand corner of our TV behind the back, so that while the product's mounted, dealers can easily get in there, update a Roku, whatever. Something else we did is across both our Ultra Bright and Storm series, we made our products lighter. They're now 25% lighter than the previous generation. And we've added handles that are ergonomic for easier and safer lifting on a job site. And then finally, for control purposes, we've added HD-based right into the TV, IP control, and we've taken basically how easy it is to plug our outdoor weatherproof TVs into a system to that next level. So in summary, we now have the best looking, best performing, and easiest outdoor TV for dealers to work with. If you've missed us at CEDIA, please go to our website, Seura.com, to learn more about our fabulous displays.